Prizm 21244. Just this little random pack one. We're just going to knock over what is done here, which is 7 spots. And those 7 spots, some will be replaced with X's. Well, the last 5 have got an X to fill out a box. Here we go, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, and I'm going to take our box and we go in order. Chris, nobody. Sean, nobody. Mitch, nobody. How's that worked out? James, nobody. Bradley, nobody. Simon, Tate. All right. Mitch, good luck. Redemption Mitch. Get rid of that base. You got a red Nima and Tatanka. He's everywhere. Is Tatanka even a good hit? I don't know. Thank you, Mitch. Sean Harford. Oh. Nikki Cross and Jada Parker, rookie, purple. John Cena moments for Sean. Chris Challingsworth exists. I should show the base for these. Base. They'll all ship. Silver Cody is nice. And a Candice LeRae Pulsar. CM Punk. Tate McRae. If anyone wants anything else today, you've got about 2 minutes, and then I will be leaving if there's no action. JD McDonough, Ruby Wave. Sean Spears, 299, and Liv Morgan. Simon Treese. Silver Regal. And a Randy Orton orange. 99. John Cena moments. I don't have any of those, sorry Boop. I know you're a big fan of hoops, but no cases of hoops left. James Josie, I'm not sure. Jose? I don't know. Oscar Ruby Wave and Lukey Gallows teal. 33 of 49. Stone Cold, we just hit the 1-on-1 of this card. Steve Austin. Yeah, we got the 1-on-1 of this. Oh my God, Jake, don't. I think about that from time to time and it just instant anxiety. Hoopsy my loops. Bradley Moore. Rikishi Ruby Wave. And 45 of 99, Charlie Dempsey. Looking like a criminal if I'm being honest. Sorry, Charlie. And Rumble, Mr. Perfect. You should watch the whole break, actually. The case share.